Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making an easy, spicy, savory chicken and cucumber stir fry. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients we have a large chicken breast. Look at the size of that. That's over a pound. And over here we have our cucumber. It's an English cucumber. It's a real long one. And the skin is really tender. You don't have to peel it. And over here we have a red and a green bell pepper. Half of a red and green bell pepper. We're going to slice it up. And back here we have straw mushrooms. It's a little over a cup. And we have 4 nice green onions that we're going to slice up. And 1 yellow onion. Okay, let's put some of this aside. Alright, let's cut up our onion. Now we went ahead and sharpened this knife. It's a Seti knife. It's a Santoku knife with our AnySharp knife sharpener. Now if you guys don't have one of those knife sharpeners, go ahead and pick one up because they're really a great handy gadget to have in the kitchen, especially for me. I always forget to sharpen my knives, right? Alright, let's cut up our onion. Let's see if we can kind of split this in half, maybe, and peel it that way. What do you think? Let's give it a try. Alright, that's that one. Let's try to get this one. Okay, let's take some of this away. Alright, let's go ahead and slice these up, you know, in big chunks, right? Okay, let's go ahead and bring in a bowl and we'll put them right in there. Now don't forget to break them up when you put them in. Makes things a lot easier. There he goes. That flying onion. There's always one of them in the bunch, right? A flying onion. Okay, this is the last of it right here. Perfect. Okay, there's our onions all sliced up nice and broken up into little pieces. Well, big pieces. We want them big, right? Like this. Okay, let's put that aside. Now we're going to bring in our green bell pepper and we're going to go ahead and slice that up. Now you can make these as big as you want. And we'll bring in our red bell pepper and we'll do the same thing. This adds a lot of flavor and nice color. What's that guy doing? He's getting in the way there, isn't he? Okay. Here we go. Just slice them up. You can slice them up as thin as you want. I like them kind of big so you can see them. Right? Alright. Let's turn them sideways and we'll cut them in like thirds, like something like this. Alright, we'll do the same to our green ones. Okay, we'll bring back our onions and we'll put them right in there. Alright. Okay, there's our red and green bell peppers and our onions all chopped up nice. Put them aside. Now we're going to slice up our nice cucumber. Now this is an English cucumber. It's real long and the skin's real tender. So we really don't need to peel it or anything, so it works out really good. So let's cut the end off, about like this. And we don't want the stem on here, so we'll cut that off. That part right there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of split this in half, lengthwise, you know, or you can cut it up like this, like in sections. That's what we're going to do today. We'll just cut it up in sections like this. About like that, right? And we'll go ahead and we'll take them and we'll cut them in half, just like this. Right? Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to slice it up like French fries, right? Just go ahead and do this. Once again, you can cut these as thin as you want, but I like them kind of big. About like this. Okay, now just keep doing this until you're all done, right? Yep. Okay, we're done. Let's move them over here a little bit. Okay, let's bring in a bowl and we'll put them in there. Did you see that? Now we got a flying cucumber. There he is. Put them in there. Okay. Okay, there's our cucumbers all sliced up nice. Let's put them aside. Okay, now we're going to bring in our green onions. We're going to cut the roots off because I don't think anybody likes to chew on them. Right? No? I don't think so. Okay. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in about 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. Just like this. Till you get up to the green leafy part. About right here. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and chop the rest of this up a little bit thinner, like 1/8 of an inch or so. Alright. Let's bring in a little bowl and we'll put the green leafy part in there. Alright, there you go. Did you see it? Another flying onion. Alright. Alright, let's put our green leafy part aside. And we'll bring in another bowl and we'll put our bottoms of our green onions right in there. Okay. Okay, there's the bottoms of our green onions. Let's put them aside. Alright, now let's bring in our huge chicken breast. Right, now we're going to slice this up. Look at the size of that. Okay, now if you see any like fat hanging off, go ahead and trim that off. Anything you don't want, trim it off. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and slice this up. Now we're going to go on kind of an angle here and try to go across the grain a little bit. Just like that. And you can make it as thin as you want with this knife because it's really sharp. It's going to be about this thick. Can you see it? About 1/8 of an inch. Now keep doing this until you're all done, right? Look at the size of that chicken breast. Boy, that's a big one. Alright. Okay, now since these are really big, right? They're a little too big even for my jaws, right? Let's go ahead and turn them like this. And we're going to take out anything that's smaller like that. Those pieces. Okay, that's not too bad. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and cut them into like thirds because they're a little too big. Just like that. Maybe like this. Okay. Now, for these over here, we're going to leave some of them kind of big. So we'll just cut them in half. Just like this. Alright. And they'll be nice sized chunks. Beautiful. Okay. Put them over here. And let's bring in a bowl. And we'll put them right in there. Okay. Alright, there's our chicken all sliced up nice. Now let's put that aside for just a minute. And we'll take our cutting board out of the way. We don't need that anymore. Alright, let's bring back our chicken and we're going to make a nice marinade for that. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Put that in. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 tablespoons of water. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Put that in. And 1 tablespoon of oil. Now you could use your hands to mix it up, but today I'm using a spoon. So let's go ahead and mix it in. Now what that baking soda is going to do is going to help tenderize that chicken. And the cornstarch is going to help lock in that moisture that we added. It makes it really tender. Okay. Okay, there's our chicken and our nice marinade. Now let's let that marinade for about 15 minutes. Let's put that aside. Alright, now we're going to make a nice soy sauce mixture. Quick and easy. This is a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now this is to add a little heat, right? Put that in. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Put that in. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Alright, let's mix that in. Now this is really going to add a lot of flavor to our delicious chicken and cucumber stir fry. And it's going to be a little bit spicy, right? Now you can add as much spice in there as you want. But this is going to be perfect. Okay? Alright, there's our soy sauce mixture all made up nice. Now what we have to do is start stir frying. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our large Lodge cast iron skillet. And we're going to go ahead and set our infrared cooktop to medium high. Alright, now we're going to add a little oil to our hot pan. Alright, now we're going to take our red and green bell peppers and onions and we're going to put them right in there. Now stir fry them until the onions just start to become a little bit translucent. That should take about 2 minutes. Alright, now we're going to add our cucumbers, put them in. Now we don't want to overcook our cucumbers. We want them a little bit crispy, right? Now just stir fry the cucumbers for about another minute or 2 and it should be done. Okay, our vegetables look to be done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner and let's get them out of there. Put them right in the bowl. Okay, there's our vegetables all stir fried nice. That's our green and red bell peppers, onions, and cucumbers. Boy, don't they look nice? Let's put them aside. Now we're going to go ahead and set our burner to medium high. Put a little more oil in the pan if you need to. Okay, now we're going to take all our nice marinated chicken and we're going to put that in there. Now we're going to stir fry this quickly. Look at the size of that piece of chicken right there. That's huge. Alright. Alright, now we're going to add our green onion bottoms, put them in. Boy, is that starting to smell good. Okay, now we're going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic, put that in there. And we're going to add all our straw mushrooms, put them in. Now stir fry them mushrooms until they get nice and hot and they take on that flavor of that garlic and everything. And them little onions, you know, the bottoms of our green onions. Boy, does this smell good already, guys. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, our chicken and mushrooms and our green onions are almost done. Now we're going to take our soy sauce mixture and we're going to mix that up because it's got that cornstarch in there. Okay, and we're going to pour that right in there. just like that. Now it's not going to take too long for this to thicken up. It's already started. Alright, let's make a little spot in the middle here. I'm going to put a little rice wine in there. Now about a teaspoon. Put that in. That helps give that a really good flavor. Now when you simmer that a little bit, it'll cook that wine off. Boy, that looks beautiful. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add all our vegetables back in. Let's do it. Put them in. Okay, let's mix them in. Okay, look at the size of that chicken. Can you see that? Huge. Okay. Okay, everything's getting nice and hot. And that's about done. So let's go ahead and show off our burner. And I can't wait to have a taste of that. So let's plate some of this up and have a taste. Wow, look at that, guys. Alright, I like to put a little sesame seed on top, just a little bit. Alright, let's just put a few of our green onions on top. Makes it look pretty, plus they taste good. Alright, there it is. Our easy, spicy, savory chicken and cucumber stir fry. Boy, doesn't that look good? And I can't wait to get into a taste of that. So let's have a bite. Alright, let's get into a big bite back here and see how we're doing. Oh, wow. I think I got a little bit of everything, guys. Look at that mushroom in there and that chicken. Can you see the chicken? Beautiful. Alright, this is a huge bite even for me, so let me get into it. Look at that cucumber. Alright, let me have a bite. Is that delicious? You're going to love this. Just go ahead and make it that way, and your guests will love it. Now, this will feed 2 to 4 people, depends on how big of a plate you serve. Now, there's 3 of these large plates like this in that pan, but that's for me because I'm a big eater, right? Yep, you got that right. Alright, you know what'll go good with this since we're having this for a delicious late lunch or dinner? You may have guessed this one. We're going to have a nice chilled cold wobble pop with this one. Yep, that sounds delicious, doesn't it? Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Easy, spicy, savory chicken and cucumber stir fry. That's what's for lunch or dinner tonight. Boy, does that sound good. Yep, I just got to have another little bite. Or should I say a big bite? Okay, look at that. Look at that chicken in there. Alright, let me have another big bite. Alright. That's delicious. Catch you on the next one.